9 years bicycle repairer is trying to remove the light. Now you remove it, the power bar or generator. Now you see there is one spring at the back side. When you press it, then you fix the harness or the cable inside. Then you release it, and then it will tight inside. See it here? This is the problem. The harness or the cable or wires just remove. See it now? He's fixing it inside. Now they have to fix it again, and then they will start assembling it. By the grace of God, they will finish it at the right time. May God bless anyone who support this channel. May God bless you once again. Keep supporting us. Subscribe our channel for more video like this. It's a 9 years boy. He's doing his job.